All right, thank you, John. Yeah, Carol is back now, and this recipe could be perfect for the holidays. It's a pumpkin trifle because it has layers.
It has
right?
layers, yes.
Okay.
Yes, you start out with a spice cake. You bake the spice cake just according to the directions, and then crumble it up. And the way I did it, I just took a knife and
put it in here.
And put part of it in here. We'll put one layer in here, and then take your pumpkin. And what you do is you take a can of pumpkin and some instant pudding, and some cinnamon and nutmeg and allspice.
Is it butterscotch pudding?
Yes, it's butterscotch pudding, instant butterscotch pudding, and that's kind of always forget about that. You use vanilla in a lot of different things. And you stir that together, and then you put a layer of that, a layer of the pumpkin
on top of that,
and spread it around on your spice cake.
Okay.
And then another layer of cake. That's the fun part of it. You keep layering the little spice cake on there, so it's pretty. It's a nice like holiday, very holiday-ish. And then the recipe called for whipped cream, but I use a Cool Whip because
some of that.
It's just easier to do right now. And then you put some more cake crumbs on there, and then do some more pumpkin. And we'll just put some more pumpkin on there and smooth it around, and more cake crumbs, and another of Cool Whip, and then it's just keep going. Just keep going, and when you take your time, you can make it really pretty. But
this would be good for kids to do. They would like to help with this layering.
Kids would have so much fun with this. And there's your Cool Whip, and just keep going. Just keep going until you get it all on there.
And then when it's done, it looks like this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you put it in the refrigerator for a while then, Carol?
Yeah, I had this in overnight, but yeah, at least 2 hours. And then top it off with some spicy, and then there you go.
And there you go. And again, you can smooth it out.
You can smooth it out, yeah, but it's just really easy. You can make it a head, like you said, put it in the fridge and make it a head. And you can make your pudding ahead. You can have your whipped cream or your Cool Whip ahead of time. So you have all your ingredients, and then you can just stick it together, have the kids help.
Okay, and there's the recipe on your screen. We also have it on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you need a little more time to write it down. I'm going to give it a try here. Good, and then you can present it in cute little glasses if you want.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's really good. It's refreshing too.
Yeah. Yeah, it just gives that. Then you have a cup of eggnog with it, and that'd be your supper right there.
There you go.
Eggnog and trifle.
Oh, okay. All right. Again, like I said, we do have this recipe for you on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. It's pretty good. Thanks you, and thank you. Back to you, John.